eventually.
So most people don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now I found a way, or no, I didn't find a way, but my cousin's friend did. So to solve a Rubik's Cube, first, if it's mixed up, which I'm gonna mix mine up. Okay, so now it's mixed up, all mixed up. So to start off, I'm probably going to do a couple videos on this because people are probably going to go in the comments saying this doesn't work. What do I do when this happens? How do I switch these two? I'll show you guys in a different video. So yeah, let's get right into it. First, all of these white pieces, first, actually, before we solve the entire thing, if you don't know how to solve the entire face, then check out a different video that I will post later. And yeah, get to your yellow center and get those white pieces on the sides, like I'm doing right now. Sometimes this, when I do this, sometimes this doesn't work. Now, whatever color that's with this white piece on the side, find that center, like this, and twist 180 degrees so it's now at the bottom. Now, this red one, you have to twist it until you find that red center again, and then green, 180, blue, 180. Now, sometimes it's harder to do. And then if this white piece right here, with the other two colors right here, you have to get those two centers, like blue and red. You need to get the blue center and the red center and do a right-hand algorithm. Now it's at the bottom. Now you have to, now this is blue and orange. Now do a right-hand algorithm until it goes in. Now, also, if there's one there already, if there's one here already, and let's just say it's an orange and blue, the green and orange is an orange and blue, and I do this, it doesn't really matter because it will switch it out with a different color, and it'll help you with a different one. So this is green and orange, I do that. Red and green, do that. Now sometimes these two end pieces don't work sometimes. Then you just have to start off, mix up the entire thing and start over. Now find whatever piece right here. I'm just giving an example. This red, and if there's a blue there, get the red and blue center and put the red to the left of it where the blue is. So then do 3 right-hand algorithms. Oh wait, no, I did that wrong. Do 1 right-hand algorithm, then 1 left-hand, then 1 right-hand, and then another left. And then the bottom's still solved, but you get those two. Now, find that green one. Even if it's still there, still do it. Right-hand algorithm, left-hand algorithm, right-hand algorithm, left-hand algorithm. Do the same with each side. And sometimes you get these yellow pieces. It doesn't really matter, just put them in anyways, like this. And I'll swap them out. The one that was right here, it got swapped out. So now, this one was actually here. So now we have to redo that. Now, when you're done, find the 90-degree angle like this, or 90-degree angle, 9 o'clock. Now, whatever center that is, twist it 90 degrees to the right, then do a right-hand algorithm 2 times. Now you get a cross right here. Now these two colors right here with the yellow, you have to find those. Now this is green and orange already. Let's put it like this. So this is good, but this isn't. So you'll have to do a left or right hand algorithm 3 times, then face green and do a left one. And then and now they're swapped out, but twist them and you'll see that the orange and blue need to be right here. Now these two need to be switched, so do 3 rights, then 3 lefts, and now you have 4 corners that are missing. Now put them in the correct spot. So blue and red, blue and red, blue and orange, green and orange, green and orange, green and red, green and red. Now do whatever face you want, but do a right-hand algorithm until it gets in place, see? Then twist it, then right-hand algorithm until it gets in place. Right-hand algorithm until it gets in place, twist, right-hand algorithm until it gets in place. Now, you will see that this is already solved. You just got to twist it. Now, sometimes it's not always like that. I'll give another example. I'll mix this entire thing up again and show you, because I just got lucky on that one. You'll get lucky sometimes, and if you do, then you're really lucky, because, I mean, it's really nice to have one of those. Now, I want to do the entire thing right now, and I'll probably skip it or fast forward, and then I'll show you what I mean. So, this is one other example of it. It's actually a different one than I was expecting it to, but whatever. So, find whatever center you want, not the white or the yellow. Just find either red, green, orange, or blue. I'm going to go with green because it's my favorite color. Do 1 right, 1 left, 5 rights, 5 lefts. And if it does work, you'll get to this where they're all matched except this one, except the red. Now, the red is solved, the yellow is solved, the white solved. Now, all you gotta do now is just do at the red or whatever one that's already solved. Not yellow or white, whatever. Like, if green solved, face it towards you. If red solved, face it towards you. If blue solved, face it towards you. If orange solved, face it towards you. Now do a right hand algorithm, then a left hand, then 5 right hand algorithms, then 5 left hand algorithms. And sometimes you have to do it multiple times. Like, that was lucky. I only had to do it once. Sometimes you have to do it twice. You know what? I'm gonna actually do how to solve one side for this also. So let's get right into that. Let me mix this up. Hold on. Okay, so it's all mixed up. Now, find whatever's for solving just one side. Do whatever center you want it to be. I'll do white because that's another one of my favorite colors. Now, there's the white center. Find the white center, and then I'm giving an example. It's probably not going to be the same exact thing that you're going to have, but have this white center on there, and this white center, if it's there, then you have to twist it right. Hold on, I haven't done this in a while. And then twist it right, and then move it like this, and move that. So now it's like that. Twist it, and then there's another one right there. Do that. And sometimes you'll get this, twist it like this, and push it, and then do that. And then this, you gotta do right hand algorithm. Oh wait, no, I just messed that up. Do that, and then that, and then that. See, this side solved. So yeah, I'll link other things in this. Or I'll do other things. And yeah, see you guys later.